Baby boy for 2. Ay, nagmamadali. Baby boy for 3. Ben. Number 20. Pinasa sa number 12. Tinira. Ben, 2 points. This is number 26. Pinasa sa number 33. 2 points. The ball, pinasa kay Lucete. Lucete for 2. Basket. Tapos yung nagmamadali. Oy! Number 12, 2 points. 1. Baby boy, nagbibigay ng mga pe. Baby boy, bigyan ng press. Points. Number 33. Drive shot. 2 balls by number 33. Number 15, 2 points. At logo rebound by number 2, Ignacio. Huli ka, pero narito din number 19, Sulibu. 19. Pass to number 26, tumira ng dos, 2 points. By number 22. Pass to Ignacio to Sulibu again, 2 points. 26, Ogarto. Pass to number 2, Kasut. Number 12, Raymond to. Size and down good, narito din number 33, 2 points. Last 5, number 33, narito ni Ignacio. Layup, 2 points. 12, pass to number 30, 33. 3 points. To 19, to number 21, Page, shot for 3. 3 points by number 2, to number 21, Pinatoy Villanueva. Layup, 2 points. Pass to number 26 to number 2, Agape, 2 points. Ang score natin ay second shot. Number 26. Tumira ng cross, 2 points. First shot is good. Second shot by number 24. Second shot is good. Back to number 19. Drive shot for 2 points. Andres, no good rebound by Ignacio. Nakuha ni number 21 de las Reyes. Pero nakagawin na Pibus. Nakuha number 33 pass to number 26. To number 10. 2 points. De las Reyes. Number 9, pass to Ignacio. Number 2, tumira ng 3 points. Balik sa kalarangan ng cash out. Rebound by number 15, 2 points. Dalawa ka na number 10. First shot na number 33 is good. Second shot by number 33, PM. Second shot. Shoot. Di na to ang pangatang madaling araw, pero pinasa kay number 26. Tumira ng 3. Taples. 26 to number 12. Ang ganda ng pasahan. No good. Rebound na Pibus. Number 4. Tumira ng 2 points. Number 15. Villanueva. Dribbling. 2 points by Villanueva. To number 15, Jersey, 2 points by number 15. 33. To number 12, back to number 33, tumira ng dos. Wala, rebound by number 24, 2 points. Number 15, drive, lay up, 2 points. Nahuli ni Baby Boy, pass to Jersey, lay up, 2 points. 190, Baby Boy, lay up. No good, rebound by Jersey, 2 points. 55 seconds. Number 12, tumira ng dos. 20, inbound. Pass to number 2, easy 2 points by Ignacio. Pass to number 24, tumira ng 3. 3 points. Pinasa kay number 12, Raymundo. Shot for 2 points by Reza ang cash out. 49-48. Baby Boy, tumira rin ng 3. Pasikat ka, boy! Ignacio. Pass to baby boy. 2 points. Second shot is good. Lorena pass to Ignacio. Pass to number 24, Lorena. 3 versus 1. Lay up 2 points. Ignacio. Lay out 2 points. Pass to Arcila. Tumira. Please by number 24. Tumira ng number 6. Ignacio. Wala rin by number 19. 2 points. Ang dali ko naman ako ulit ng number 26. Ready sa bola. 2 points. Number 10. Pinato ay number 26. 2 points. Team Villanueva. Villanueva. Drive shot. Foul. Bonus shot. Foul counted ulit. Pagbilang number 26 na passing foul. Pass to number 22 na ugol. Number 22 ulit. 2 points. Nakuha ni number 9. To number 21, tumira ng 3. 3 points. Napkin Bruce. Drive, lay out, 2 points. Number 30, number 26. To number tumira, 2 points. Number 20. Number 8, tumira, 2 points.